As summer heats up in the northern hemisphere, backyard barbecues become a tradition. But how hot you cook your meat isn't just about flavor, it's about food safety. Each type of meat has a recommended internal temperature. For example, chicken must reach at least 74 degrees Celsius all the way through. A steak or pork chop, 63 degrees Celsius is enough. But where do these numbers come from? And why aren't they the same for all meats? The answer lies in microbiology. All animals, like humans, carry bacteria naturally in their guts, on their skin, and often in the environments where they live. While most microbes are harmless, some can make us seriously ill. Common culprits include Salmonella, E. coli, Listeria, and Campylobacter. These bacteria thrive in temperatures between 4 degrees and 60 degrees Celsius, what experts call the danger zone. In just 20 minutes, bacteria can double in number. Consuming undercooked meat contaminated with these pathogens can cause food poisoning, nausea, diarrhea, vomiting, and in rare cases, death. So cooking meat thoroughly is a critical step. Back in the 1970s and 80s, US scientists ran thousands of experiments. They deliberately contaminated meat and then cooked it using different methods, grilling, roasting, microwaving, to find the precise heat needed to kill 90% of bacteria. That's how today's temperature guidelines were born. But not all meat is created equal. Steaks and chops have dense muscle fibers that bacteria struggle to penetrate. Searing the outside usually kills most harmful microbes. Ground meat, like burgers and sausage, is different. It's made from multiple cuts, often from several animals. Grinding mixes surface bacteria throughout the meat, so it must be cooked to 71 degrees Celsius to be safe. Poultry has a higher risk of internal contamination, especially with Salmonella, which is why chicken and turkey need to hit that 74 degrees Celsius mark throughout. Interestingly, the rules do evolve. In 2011, the USDA lowered the safe cooking temperature for pork from 71 degrees to 63 degrees Celsius after the pork industry successfully reduced Trichinella spiralis, a parasite that once made undercooked pork risky. But temperature is only part of the picture. To stay safe, food scientists recommend a few simple habits. Use separate cutting boards and knives for raw and cooked foods. Wash your hands between tasks. Never let food sit out too long. Ambient temperatures help bacteria multiply fast. And be careful with that spongy pad at the bottom of meat packages called a meat diaper. It's a bacterial hotspot. Always discard it carefully. Finally, the simplest and most effective tool, a good digital meat thermometer. It lets you measure the internal temperature at the thickest point of the meat, giving you confidence that it's fully cooked. Food safety may not be flashy, but it's science in action, keeping your summer barbecue delicious and safe. Thanks for watching.